Hello comrades. So today I'm just going to show you this app. Okay, this is a course app. Forget about everything while watching this course app. This is for Forex beginners and those who have too much knowledge in Forex. You can see now I'm on the theory. I'll press this theory thing. Okay, this is a theory course. It says Forex is not a scam. It is based on the real world economy. So you put next and then you must answer. Forex is scam, not a scam. Let's guess the answer. Just let's do it. Let's guess it. You. Okay? Let me say not a scam based on what I've read. Next. And then Forex market rely on how currencies value of different countries relate to each other. Next for the question. Forex market is based on what? So you answer here. Currencies or gold? Bitcoin? No, it's based on currencies. Next. Forex market is risky and you can lose all your money. There are no obvious returns on your investment. Let's hear the question. Forex market is obvious to win, risky, get rich quick platform. Which one do you choose? I think it's obvious. It's risky. Okay. Forex market is a platform to trade currency values. Let's check. Forex market is a platform to trade stock, energy. No, stock market you go to New York stock market, whatever. We trade currencies in Forex market. Forex market is not a physical market. Forex market is a big building in America, not physical. World Bank. No, it's not physical. It's digital. You trade Forex market through registered and legally regulated brokers only. Okay? Then you press next. You trade Forex market on WhatsApp, in casino. The correct answer is through regulated broker. Next. Trading for someone is illegal unless you are a regulated financial advisor. To trade, you deposit money to a stranger online or a Pakistani rich Forex trader, legally regulated broker. Which one do you choose? Obvious. Opening an account with a Forex broker is free, and they also offer free equity for practice purpose on demo accounts, and you cannot withdraw from demo accounts. Which one? Let's hear the question. Opening a Forex trading account is expensive, free, impossible, or impossible. Which one? Obviously it's free. Many brokers offer free equity bonus which you can withdraw profits from such as account. I should have said actually it's not many. This is the mistake. Whatever, but it's fine. I will fix it later. So to practice Forex on real market is free. Not expensive, not impossible. You trade Forex market on trading softwares or apps provided by legally regulated broker or any platform your broker use, such as MetaTrader. Codes. I should have said codes. It's fine. And then let's hear the question. You trade Forex market on gambling machine, websites, legally trading platform. Legal trading. I should have said legally, but I said legal. It's fine. You understand. When trading, you can only place a buy position or a sell position on any two currencies called pairs. It's fine. Doesn't sound too much professional. When trading, you can only open a buy, open a sell, and buy or open a sell. This question is nice. Which one do you take? Open and buy. Okay. If you think base currency will be stronger than the code currency, which means market will go up, you place a buy. This is for beginner. Okay. You know what is a base. Okay. On Euro USD, per euro is a base exotic currency, code currency. Which one is euro? It's a base because it's on your left. Forex is not a scam. It is based on real world economy. What's the question? On Euro USD, if Euro will be weak, you place a. Remember, Euro is a base. So what do you do? What do you place if Euro is weak? You place a sell. Okay. If USD was stronger, you were gonna place a buy. So you say next. If you think base currency will be weaker than the code currency, which means market will go down. This is based on the previous question. Remember the previous question? It says if the base is weak. This theory is even saying if you think base, which was Euro, will be weaker on the code, which was USD, which means market will go down. That's why we sold on the last question. Then you place a sell. That's why you placed a sell. Only AUD USD. If AUD will be stronger, you do what? You buy, because now the base is strong. When market goes to up predicted direction, then you will be able to make profit, and the more it goes, the more you profit. But if the market goes against you, then you lose, and the more it goes against you, the more you lose. You know, sometimes I feel like God made me write these things, because even if I read them the days after, I feel like I've done a very, very good job. Okay, these explanations is very summarized and well explained, especially for the beginners. Just look how short it is. And then the next, when market moves your trade position. This question was wrong. But let us try to understand, so that if you meet this question, you know how to answer it. When market moves to your trade position, I know they were supposed to be when market moves to you too. There's no two, but you are there. Also moves. Your trading position also moves. It does nothing. Okay, I will double check this. You are allowed to exit the market anytime by closing your trade position. You can close your trade after winning, after losing, anytime when market is open. You are also allowed to place a take profit to automatically close a trade on certain price with profit when the market goes to your position. Take profits is used to close with profit. That's nice. You are also allowed to place a stop loss to automatically close a trade on certain price when a loss, when market goes against you. Certain price with a loss when market. That's nice. Stop loss is used to close with a loss. Forex market will be closed on weekend, and if your position is not closed, then it means whatever happens when the market closes is also it also affects your trade. Forex market operate every day, weekdays. It operates weekdays. I'm not talking about deriv and whatever. Okay. So brokers make money every time you open a trade through spreads, or charge you a commission or transaction, or charge you for position running overnight through swap. It's called swap, that one. You pay brokers with e-wallet, with commission and spread when they call you and ask payment. I failed, and I can tell you the reason why I failed is this other question. I'll try to check the question for you. Let's go back. I'm sure it's this one. Yeah, exactly this one. When market moves your trade position, I'll fix this question, and then I'll upload a very updated whatever for you. Okay, but you can see, even if you get the question wrong, you are reading, you are learning about Forex. Yeah, This is the theory. This is when you go to the theory part. I'll fix this. Program is not easy, blah blah blah. I don't have to preach, but this is based on the theory. Okay, and then you have fundamentals, you have indicators, you have candlestick, you have market structure. But so far, this is based. I was only dealing with the theory. I'll fix it and then we'll deal with it. Thank you.